Selamat pagi teman-teman dan selamat pagi Bapak dosen pengampu, yaitu Pak Denny Haryanto Sinaga. Pertama-tama saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Bapak Denny Haryanto Sinaga karena memberikan waktu untuk mempresentasikan hasil CGR saya. Sebelumnya saya memperkenalkan diri dulu. Saya yang bernama Separ Gunawan Sinaga ingin mempresentasikan hasil CGR saya. Baiklah, yang pertama saya akan membacakan jurnal internasional 1. Di jurnal internasional 1 terdapat yaitu title, yaitu an integrate reactive power control strategy for improving low voltage right through capability. Jurnalnya jurnalnya dari IEE Journal. Volume and page. Volumenya 5 number 4, page-nya 1 to 14. Year 2019. Writer. Writer terdapat ada 4, yaitu 1. Hasan Gatafi dari Islamic Azad University. 2. Ali Hellani dari Western Sydney University. 3. Mahmud Nagrial dari University of Leeds. 4. Jamal Riggs dari University of Western Sydney. Reviewer Separ Gunawan Sinaga. Date 20 November 20 and 23. Research purpose. The influence of ancillary service, voltage, and reactive power control on LVRT capability. Research subject, WFET induction generator or DFIG. Research methods, WFET induction generator of DFIG is the most popular wind turbine, as it can play a very significant role to enhance low voltage right through or LVRT. Operation definition of the dependent variable, efficiency, stability, and reliability of wind power plants. Ways and tools to measure the dependent variable. Monitoring PLTA stability. Utilizing operational monitoring tools capable of analyzing and monitoring PLTA stability under various operational conditions. Rotational speed sensors, wind pressure sensors, and control monitoring system can be applied. Monitoring PLTA reliability. Employing reliability monitoring systems for equipment, including generators, converters, and other critical components. Monitoring temperature, pressure, and wind turbine rotational speed can provide indications of reliability. Monitoring LVRT capability. Using voltage monitoring device capable of measuring and recording PLTA response during periods of low voltage disturbance. Monitoring tools and reactive power measurement systems can also be applied. Simulation with MATLAB or Simulink. To test the effectiveness of control algorithms, and integrate strategies. Simulation can be performed using software such as MATLAB or Simulink. These simulations can provide a visual representation of how PLTA perform under different conditions. Operation definition of independent variable. Types generator systems. Type A. This type lacks support for speed control and face challenge posed by rigid network demands. The mechanical construction of the squirrel cage induction generator, or SCIG, within this type must withstand high mechanical pressure caused by wind gas. Type B. This type involves a one rotor induction generator, or WRIG, connected to a transformer through capacitor banks to balance reactive power. It faces challenge in regulating stakes due to low efficiency resulting from resistor connecting in the rotor circuit. Type C. The philosophy of voltage control in Type C is based on rotor size converter, or RSC. Axis current control. The WFET induction generator, or DFIG, in this type directly participates in voltage regulation due to its flexible reactive power control capability. Type D. This type is characterized by a variable speed generator connected to the network with a full-scale frequency converter. The FIG in this type contributes significantly to improving LVRT capability compared to other generator types. Therapeutic steps. 1. Introduction and handling type A, B, and C. 2. Identify the four main types of generator system used in wind farms, or types A, B, C, and D. 3. Understand the significant contribution of the FIG in improving LVRT capability compared to other types of generators. Research results. Wind energy has witnessed substantial growth driven by advances like low cost, ease of construction, and environmental benefits, potential reducing CO2 emissions by 10 billion tons annually. Viewing climate change initiative as economic opportunities emphasizes wind power plants as a rapidly growing renewable energy source, highlighting the importance of ensuring generate power quality for plant stability and reliability. Research strength. Wind energy has witnessed substantial growth, driven by the advantage offered by modern wind generators, including low cost, ease of construction, and environmental clean lines. Potential reducing CO2 emissions by 10 billion tons annually. Recording climate change initiatives as a business opportunity underscores one power plant's role as a rapidly growing source of renewable energy. The focus on the quality of generated power is crucial for ensuring power plant stability and reliability. Research weakness. While wind energy has witnessed significant growth due to its advantage, including low cost and environmental cleanliness. There are certain weaknesses and challenges within the existing framework that need attention. Jurnal International 2, title Analysis and Recommendation for the Adaptability of Science Power System Security and Stability Relevant Standard. Jurnal IAEA Journal, volume and page. Volume 3, number 4, page 1 and 6, 1 to 6. Year 2017. Writer Yin Biao Su. Reviewer Separ Gunawan Sinaga. Date 20 November 2023. Research purpose. The research aims to analyze the principal standard for the security and stability of Sinus current power systems, focusing on operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation. It also seeks to identify shortcomings in the standard and discuss potential direction for future development. Research subjects. The subjects of the research is the power industry in Sinus, specifically the standard related to the operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation for ensuring the security and stability of our system. Research methods. The research employs an analytical approach to investigate and evaluate the existing standards in operational controls, generator grid coordination, and simulation within China's power system. It involves a review of relevant documents, standards, and regulations. Research methods. The research employs an analytical approach to investigate and evaluate the existing standard in operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation within China's power system. It involves a review of relevant documents, standards, and regulations. Operation definition of the dependent variable. The dependent variable is the security and stability of China's power systems. It is operationally defined by assessing the effectiveness of standards in operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation in maintaining secure and stable power system operation. Ways and tools to measure the dependent variable. The dependent variable is measured through examination of existing standard regulation and practice in operational controls, generator grid coordination, and simulation. Tools include document analysis, regulatory reviews, and performance assessment. Operation definition of independent variable. The independent variable includes the standard and regulation related to operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation within China's power system. These variables are operationally defined as the established guidelines and rules governing power system, security, and stability. Therapeutic steps. To address the shortcoming and improve the current standards, the research suggests identifying specific areas for assessment in operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation. This may involve proposing revisions to existing standards, introducing new guidelines, or recommending change in practice. Research. The research indicate that despite the progress made in establishing standards, there are still shortcomings in addressing the evolving challenges brought by the changing characters of Chinese paper systems. The study proposed potential directions for future development to strengthen security and stability measures. Research strength. The research strength lies in its comprehensive analysis of existing standards for operational control, generator grid coordination, and simulation in China's power system. It provides a valuable insights into the strength of the current system and highlights areas for improvement. Research weakness. A potential weakness of the research is the need for the further investigation into specific details and practical implication of proposed directions for development. Additionally, there may be limitation in the scope of the analysis, requiring more in-depth research in certain aspects of power system security and stability. Jurnal Nasional 1. Title: Voltage Stability Analysis of Power System with Photovoltaic Power Plant. Jurnal dari GNPAD Journal, Volume and Page, Volume 20, Number 1, and Page 1 to 6. Year 2023. Writer Adrianti Radha Tamara Putri and Muhammad Nasir. Reviewer Separ Gunan Sinaga. Date 20 November 2023. Research purpose. Analyze the impact of installing a capacitor bank to compensate for the reactive power deficiency of photovoltaic plants on the voltage stability of a power system. The study aims to compare the voltage stability of the system with and without a photovoltaic plant, and to assess the effectiveness of the capacitor bank in restoring the voltage stability level to that the original system. Additionally, the research emphasizes the importance of understanding the effects of renewable energy generation on system operation and the need for reactive power compensation in the power system. Research subject: the voltage stability analysis of a power system with photovoltaic power plant and impact of installing capacitor bank to compensate for the reactive power deficiency of photovoltaic plants on the system voltage stability. Research methods. The research methodology employed in the study involved the use of the IEEE 9 bus test system to examine the voltage stability condition. The system consists of 3 synchronous generators, 3 bus loads, and 6 transmission lines rated at 230. Operation definition of the dependent variable. The voltage stability margin, or VSM, which quantifies the distance between the current power system operation and the critical loading point. VSM is calculated using the P2V curve or VSMP and the Q to V curve V or VSMQ. The VSM represents the system stability condition, where a smaller VSM indicates a worse system stability condition. It is a measure of the voltage stability level of load boost, providing insight into the system stability and potential for instability. Ways and tools to measure the dependent variable. Voltage stability margin or VSM can be measured using various methods and tools. One common method is to quantify the VSM using the distance between the operation point and the critical point of the P to V or Q to V curve. The VSM from the P to V curve is called VSMP, while from the Q to V curve is called VSMQ. The VSMP is calculated using the formula. VSMP sama dengan akar A pangkat 2 tambah B pangkat 2, where A and B are the distance between the critical point and the operating point in the terms of voltage and real power respectively. Operation of definition of independent variable refers to the factor that is manipulated or changed by the researcher in an experiment or study. It is variable that is hypothesized to have an effect on the dependent variable. In the context of the site research, the independent variable could be the addition of a capacitor bank to compensate for reactive power in the power system. Therapeutic systems. To address the voltage stability of the power system, the study utilized the voltage stability margin or VSM technique. The VSM represents the distance between the current power system operation and the critical loading point, which is the boundary between the system stable and unstable states. The smaller the VSM, the worse the system stability condition. Research results found that the installation of a capacitor bank to compensate for the reactive power after a synchronous generator replacement with photovoltaic can restore the voltage stability level. The study quantified the power system voltage stability using the voltage stability margin or VSM technique, which represents the distance between the current power system operation and the critical loading point. Research strength. The research demonstrates a strong understanding of the impact of renewable energy generation, specifically photovoltaic plants and power system voltage stability. It effectively use the method of voltage stability margin and transient stability simulation to analyze the system, providing valuable insights into the effects of installing a capacitor bank to compensate for reactive power deficiency. Research weakness focuses on the IEEE 9 boost system as the benchmark for the voltage stability analysis. While this provides a standardized basis for comparison, it may not fully capture the complexities and variations present in real world or system. Additionally, the study primarily examines the impact of photovoltaic systems on voltaic stability, but it do not extensively consider other renewable energy sources or a combination of multiple sources, which could limit the generalizability of the finding. Jurnal Nasional 2. Title: Reliability Improvement of Tembilahan Steam Power Plant with Additional Generating Capacity. Jurnal from GNTAT Journal, Volume 12, Volume 12, Number 4, and page 128. Year 2023. Writer Fadil M. Hanafi and Dian Yayan Sukma. Prepare Separgunan Sinaga. Date 20 November 2023. Research purpose: improve the reliability of the Tembilan steam power plant by increasing its generation capacity. This is in line with the goal complying with the 2021 to 2020 2030 PT PLN RUGTL. The study aims to achieve this by analyzing peak load data, calculating reliability indices or LOLP or LOLE, and considering the additions of generating units to meet the required reliability standards. Research subjects: the reliability improvement of the Tembilan steam power plant through the additions of generation capacity. The study focused on analyzing the peak load increase, generation reliability, LOLP or LOLE index, and the availability of power in the system. It aims to comply with the 2021 to 2030 PT PLN RUGTL by improving the level of reliability through the addition of generation units. Research methods: analysis of peak load data, calculation of LOLP or LOLE index, and the use of simple linear regression. The study also involves the use of the recursive convolution algorithm and recursive method for reliability evaluation. Data collection, peak load increase forecast calculation, and reliability index calculation are also part of the methodology. Operation definition of the dependent variable. The target variable that is being predicted or explained by the independent variable. In the context of the scholarship candidate dataset, the dependent variable would be the information accepted or rejected. Ways and tools to measure the dependent variable. The dependent variable can be measured through surface observational studies, existing database, historical data, and recursive algorithms, depending on the specific context of the analysis. Operation of definition of independent variable. refers to the factors that are manipulated or changed in order to observe their effect on the dependent variable in the context of a dataset of scholarship candidates, independent variables could include parent salary, GPA, and distance from home. Therapeutic step. Literature review. Conduct a through literature study to understand the theories related to power system design, including power plant reliability, daily load curves, load probability distribution curves, and LOLP or LOLE calculation methods. Data collection. Gather peak load data and generation data to predict the increase in peak load. Analyze LOLP or LOLE and consider the available area for improving plant reliability. Generator capacity analysis. Analyze the available area at the power plant and assess the possibility of adding generation capacity without exceeding the available area. Capacity addition. Based on the available area and the requirement for a LOLE index of less than 1 day or year. Determine the additional generation capacity need to meet the reliability standards. Research result. It was found that the reliability of power generation system can be improved through various scenarios. For instance, the addition of generation units successfully changed the LOLE reliability index of the plant to 0,00074 days or year. Similarly, in another study, the scenario of adding a power plant of 380 MW reduce the LOLP value to 1,78 days or year, almost meeting the national standard of PTPLN, which is 1 day or year. Research strength. The strength of the research lies in its empirical analysis based on obtained data, ensuring a conflict of interest free approach. Additionally, the research incorporates relevant literature and standards such as the Rencana Usaha Penyediaan Tenaga Listrik or RUPTL, PT Perusahaan Listrik Negara or PT PLN, and it also leverages machine learning techniques and linear regression algorithms to enhance the analysis. Furthermore, the research integrates the evaluation of power plant reliability using the loss of load probability or LOLP and loss of load explanation or LOLE in this case. This approach aligns with the focus of other studies and on the reliability of power system and impact of force outage rates on LOLP and LOLE. Research weakness. One potential weakness of the research is the reliance on manual calculations for systems with many generation units, which can be very difficult to perform. This manual approach may introduce errors and limitation in the evaluation of the reliability of power system. Additionally, the studies focus on a specific power plant and its peak load data may limit generalizability of the findings of, of, fin- of the findings to other power system. Ya, sekianlah hasil presentasi saya. Saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Bapak dosen pengampu karena telah mendengarkan hasil presentasi CGR saya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada semuanya. Shalom.